Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Nastazsa. If you're new here, I would love it if you would subscribe and turn those post notifications on so you don't miss a video. For today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you my top 10 favorites from IKEA. All of them are under $10. I love IKEA, you guys know. I shop there quite frequently. They have some awesome stuff, and they also have some awesome stuff that is under $10. Super affordable, perfect if you're just moving out, perfect if you want to pick up some new things but not break the bank. So I'm gonna jump right into it and share those with you guys today. Some of them I have hacked a little bit, and I wanted to share those with you as well. So without further ado, we can just jump right into it. So the first thing that I more recently picked up, just because these are so on trend right now, this is a super nice ceramic vase. One thing that I will say is the shape and everything is perfect. Like I mentioned, very on trend. However, IKEA loves to add like a signature pop of color to certain items. So on this one, you guys will see that the brim has a little pop of blue, which I personally do not like. I'm more of a neutral textures type of girl when it comes to these ceramic vases. So what I did with this, as I will show you guys here, is I took some concrete spray paint and just sprayed one layer of it onto this ceramic vase. I put in some faux olive branches and it is perfect, good to go. I'm getting that trend still for under the $10 price point, and I just think it's super awesome. So definitely something to keep in mind when you're shopping at IKEA. I know everything always isn't the perfect color that you're looking for, but a simple coat of spray paint can fix that quite easily. Next, I wanted to show you guys exactly what this looks like when you would find it at IKEA, because the first time I went there to find it, I couldn't find it. So this is what it looks like. And these are, quite frankly, in my opinion, the best storage shelves you are gonna find for under $10. They come in this white color as well as a black color. Perfect for smaller apartment bathrooms. You can put your toiletries on here. They're great for extra storage. You can store just about anything. If you're a candle lover like me, you can put your candles on it. You can even use it, my grandpa has one, as a bedside table. He loves it. He loves the fact that his remotes fit like perfectly in there. And yeah, so he has that on his bedside and it's perfect for him. I think it's a great option for storage. They do come in a larger size, but that is a little bit over $10. So I love these that are under the $10 mark. The next thing I'm gonna share, you guys can actually see behind me. I have some there. I love IKEA's Faux greenery. For the price, to me, it looks so good. So this one is in particular my favorite. It's just a hanging plant. I have purchased and repurchased this item so many times because I love using them. There's so many different things that you can do with it as well. I have a hack video where I actually took macrame and roped it around this little pot that it comes with, and it looks amazing. So you can use it as is with just like the macrame detailing. You can also place them in just your typical planter if you wanted, but if you just wanted to use this as is, that is a great fun little hack. So more recently, they came out with a few new faux greeneries that I did want to also share with you guys because they are under $10. So this one I just thought was super cute, very minimal and to the point. And I kind of felt like the leaves were a little heart-shaped, so I thought that that was cute. But I think this is just like a great, simple, small option. Another great thing that you can do with these is mix them in with real greenery. So I also picked this one up. It looks just more like a eucalyptus plant. Again, another version of the hanging plant, which I'm a huge fan of, but this one's just a lighter tone of green. These next two items are the perfect combo if you're just moving out or you want to decorate your room on a budget. So I'm sharing with you guys this nightstand here. This is under $10. It is such good quality. It's a nice, heavy, sturdy metal, and I just always gravitated towards it when I was in the store. And I think it's great to not only use as a nightstand, but you can use it as a plant stand. You can, again, spray paint it just about any color you would absolutely need. And to go along with that, they actually have this light, or lamp, I should say, that includes the bulb for under $10. And to me, the pair of these together just looks so minimal, very mid-century modern, but literally you got your bedside lamp, your bedside table, for under $20 because each of these are under 10 bucks. Definitely a combo that I would recommend picking up at IKEA. I just think these are so awesome, especially if you got two of them, two of the nightstands and two of these lamps to go by your bed. I think it would look awesome and no one would believe how much you paid for them. Next, this is like a staple. This is under $5 actually, and I just think that everyone needs to buy one of these. You can use them for so many different things. So the first thing that I've done with these is I did make a pillow a few years back, right when they came out, as a little DIY hack. I have also done a hanging wall art piece with these that are just super cool, and you can make a ton of different things. But my favorite thing that I've seen done with this piece in particular is one of my favorite interior designers to follow on Instagram is actually Earth & Co. And she has this for her bar cart, and she just has it like laying and draped over as just like an added piece of texture. When I saw that, I was like, that is such a good idea. So that is my favorite way, I think, to use this, is just layer it as like a layering piece on furniture that you already have. It is meant to be a rug, which I think it is a good option, but it does definitely need one of those like foam pieces under it. So you would have to get that and purchase that. That might be a little bit over $10 to make this actually be a rug, but it's a pretty decent size. I love the neutral tone of it. You could also dye this with fabric dye, absolutely any color you wanted. All right, the next thing are these stools. I've actually used these for quite some time. We used to use them at my old work just because they were a really affordable, cheap seating option, especially when you have a lot of people in a room at once. So I always thought they were super cute. There's so many different things you can do with them as far as like hacks go. One of those is a lot of people like to add like a round piece of wood on the top and kind of make it like a wooden stool. But more recently, what I've done is taken some Dollar Tree twine and just kind of interloop it in the holes that are already on the stool. And it makes it just like instantly more like boho chic, especially for the price point. It's super affordable. So that is a great option if you're looking for like seating. Or what I'm using this for after I complete the hack is I'm actually gonna put like plants on it. I think it makes a really great plant stand. Okay, I will insert a clip of what these look like when they are white, but these are just pillowcases that you can get very affordably from IKEA, under $10. They are more like a thicker linen. This is one of my more recent IKEA hacks where I ice dyed this. You can dye them, you can add like trim to them. You can do so much because it's just a plain white pillow. So I think these are just a great option to always have on hand. I also think they would look great just leaving them white and putting them on a couch. A good option for very cheap and affordable white pillows. All right, so these are probably my absolute favorite wine glass, and these do not look like they are from IKEA. They have just such a beautiful shape to them. I'm gonna insert a photo here that I took. I think these look like they came from like Crate & Barrel and could easily be like $20 each. But these are definitely just such good quality. Very affordable, especially if you end up like breaking your wine glasses. I'm literally obsessed with these. I just think they're the perfect shape. They come in two different sizes. This is the larger size, and then they have an even smaller size. So definitely a good option for some good quality wine glasses. They're also nice and thick, so they definitely don't feel like they came from IKEA at all. All right, and then lastly, this is one of my favorite storage pieces. This actually belongs to a storage shelf. These are just the drawers to it, and you can buy them separately. So I love these for under the cabinet storage in my kitchen. I love this for cleaning products or the dishwasher packets, like every little thing that I need to store in my kitchen, because even though this isn't a drawer, it just slides easily in and out from underneath the sink in my kitchen. So another great option for storage. I also love the way it looks, like super minimal and cute. So those were my IKEA favorites that are all under $10. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure you let me know that you enjoyed it by giving this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!